Good morning to my regular math classes. This is a fine, cold morning, but I brewed the coffee, so all is well. I hope you enjoyed your spring break. You might notice I have this new thing on my face, I'm calling it my Corona beard. I thought, why should I shave every day if I'm just gonna be at home, right? Well, my family kind of wants me to shave it off, but I'm going to keep it for a while. Why not? So, like it or don't like it, next few videos you may see me with my Corona beard. But, back to spring break. I hope you enjoyed your spring break. My family and I wanted to do something crazy on spring break, right? You want to do crazy things, and so we ordered takeout. It's a crazy new world where when you want to do something fun over spring break, you do takeout. But it's the world we live in right now until it gets back to normal, which it will eventually. So I hope you enjoyed your spring break. We had some great weather, which was awesome. And now we have snow. I know some of you may be really excited because you love snow, and we may get a couple more inches this week. I'm not a weather guy, but that's what the weather guy was saying last night on the news. I'm not a fan of snow ever, since I grew up in Africa. And I'm really not a fan of snow in April. But enough of that. This week, we are talking about statistical questions and range. That's hard to say. Statistical questions, that's data and statistics. If a question has lots of answers when you ask lots of people, it's statistical. If you ask lots of people a question and they all give you the same answer, so there's only one answer to it, no matter how many people you ask, then it's not statistical. And I'll explain that more later. And then range. Range of a data set, you just take the biggest number and subtract the smallest number in the set of numbers, and that's your range. So, and again, I'll have videos to explain that, but I think it'll be a pretty easy week to understand and complete. Then we're gonna move to IQR, interquartile range, next week, and I'll do some more videos about that. It can be a little confusing, so I might even work up a whiteboard video to show you how that works. But then after that, we're starting a financial literacy program, and that can sound like a confusing big word topic, but I think you'll find it enjoyable. First State Bank put together a nice program, and I'm hoping there's some good conversations at home because your parents have been dealing with how to spend money in the real world for quite some time. So they are officially experts. So we're going to start that in a couple weeks. So I hope you have a good 3-day week this week and enjoy the snow while we hope for the warm weather to come back quickly, which I'm sure it will. All right. Have a good week.